Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about this product right here. It is so cute. It's from ColourPop and it's part of the Disney Princess collection. And this is the shade How Far I'll Go in their Super Shock Shadow. So this is the Moana version and oh my gosh, it is so adorable. I have been wanting to try out the ColourPop Disney Princess collection and I love the movie Moana and this shade looks so beautiful. Kind of like a mauve-y, pinky purple shimmer. Oh my gosh, and the packaging. So you can get this at Ulta and it has practically 5-star ratings, which makes me even more excited to try it out. And it retails for $7. So I am really excited to get into this. I'm going to start out with a swatch. Oh my gosh, it is so incredibly creamy. Oh my gosh, so beautifully pigmented. And it's more of like a champagne shade. Now that I see it swatched, like this will be a perfect highlight shade and all over the lid shade. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this definitely seems like amazing quality, great pigment that I don't necessarily expect to need an eyeshadow primer, but just for the fun of it, I'm going to try this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. But it does claim to be crease proof. It's also cruelty free, zero fallout. So I am so excited to get into this. Also, look at my beautiful new mirror compact. It's from Kate Spade and I'm so excited to be changing up my mirror that I use in these videos because I liked this one from Reiki, the Ipsy one, but it looks like I'm holding a cell phone. So this one is just very beautiful. So now I am just blending the eyeshadow primer all over one of my eyes. This way we can see if there's any difference. Okay, so now while I wait for this primer to just kind of set down a little bit, I'm going to pick up more of the product. Oh my gosh, I just love this creamy texture. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over the lid. I feel like that's the best way to see the color. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Such a wearable shade. It kind of gives that wet eyelid look, but it also has beautiful tiny shimmer to it. So it really creates that highlight effect. So if I was doing a full eyeshadow look, I would definitely reach for this shade for that brow highlight, the inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love that. I think it looks beautiful alone all over the lid because the way it catches the light is so pretty and it really does apply just so easily with the finger. I feel like the tone, like the color of this is similar to my eyelid color. So it just looks so enhancing to the eye. Like it just adds such beautiful shimmer and reflection and sparkle and is so easy to wear and so easy to apply. Like I could just so quickly and easily pop this on and be good to go. This is now the eye with the primer. I feel like since it's such a similar shade to my eyelid, it's going to be a little bit hard for me to tell the difference with the primer versus without it, because it's still looking very shimmery, sparkly, that like the color doesn't look any different. I don't think it really makes any difference though. Both eyes are just as bright and sparkly and shimmery and beautiful. So what do you think? Just a little touch of sparkle. I love this all over. Like I would use this with other eyeshadows as well, but maybe I would throw a little something in the crease, like a darker brown, just to give a little bit more depth to the eye, but I really like how this looks alone. And like I said, I would use it as an eye highlight. but there's not many shades that I would wear alone just all over the lid like this. But I think it's the perfect shade to do this with. So here you can see how it looks. I just feel like it couldn't be any easier to apply, to wear as well. Like the most versatile day to night, any type of makeup look, any season type of eyeshadow shade. And the formula is just so incredible, so pigmented, so creamy, and just so fun to work with. Oh, I love the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. So if you've tried this one or any other ColourPop Super Shock shadow, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Let me know what are your favorite shades that you've found in the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. That's so fun to say. But if you're looking for that beautiful, shimmery champagne shade, highly recommend the How Far I'll Go from the Disney Princess collection. I just feel like this is such a great staple shade to have in your eyeshadow collection as well. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.